In the 17th and 18th centuries, when chemistry was in its infancy, researchers believed that there were fundamental differences between things that were living and inorganic materials. Living things, they felt, had some sort of vital life force. Today, we know that all matter, whether living or non-living, follows the same scientific principles, but there are significant differences in the chemical makeup of organic and inorganic substances. Organic matter, to a chemist, is any material made up of substances that are living or were once living. The element carbon is the basis of all organic substances, and sometimes organic chemistry is defined as the study of carbon compounds. Carbon has been called the element of life. It provides the foundation of the molecular structure of all living things, whether they are plants, animals, or microorganisms. Carbon's ability to combine with other elements results in a vast array of chemical structures. Of the estimated 12 million substances that have been identified, fully 80% of them have carbon as an important part of their molecular structure. Carbon-based substances range from simple sugars to complex proteins and DNA, and even diamonds. They include fibers in the clothes we wear, almost all of the food we eat, oil, gasoline, coal, plastics, wood, graphite, limestone, coral, and marble. All of these products are composed of organisms that were once alive, and all of them have carbon as an important part of their molecular structures. The secret of this unusual element lies in its atomic structure. Carbon has the atomic number of 6 and is in the second row or period of the periodic table. It is an atom with 6 electrons in 2 energy levels. The outer shell, or valence level, has only 4 electrons. Elements in the second period, such as carbon, need 8 electrons in order to fill the valence level. Carbon exactly fills half of its valence level with electrons. The Octet Rule says that atoms tend to gain, lose, or share electrons in order to acquire a full set of valence electrons. A carbon atom usually satisfies the Octet Rule by making 4 covalent bonds with other atoms. These bonds can be 4 single bonds, a double bond and 2 single bonds, or a triple bond with 1 single bond. Carbon is the only element that has the ability to bond in such a variety of combinations. Because carbon has only 2 energy levels, and consequently its valence electrons are relatively close to the nucleus, carbon is able to form short, strong, stable covalent bonds. Due to these characteristics, carbon frequently links up with other carbon atoms, as well as other elements like hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, to produce long chains of atoms. Carbon atoms provide the framework for an enormous variety of different compounds that can participate in an amazing range of chemical reactions, and it is these compounds that provide the basis of life.